After the fresh coat of paint on the door, it is now time to replace the door hinges. And since it was painted, it helps to score the paint along the edges of the hinges. I like to score as much as possible. This paint is very unforgiving if you don't do this. This ensures that the paint will not come up when removing the hinges. This can go fairly quick. Scoring the paint took me no more than 2 minutes. After scoring the paint, start unscrewing the hinges. Push the middle of the hinge or lift up one end at a time. It should come off easily. This is the type of hinge I will be using. Don't put it upside down as I did. You can start with the top hinge or the bottom. Some people prefer the bottom first. I like to snug all of the screws, but not tighten them yet. I also like to add a long screw to the top hinge. This screw helps prevent the top hinge from coming loose. Now that the top is done, we'll move to the middle. Repeat the process. Score the paint and unscrew the old hinge. Remove the old hinge and screw the new hinge, but don't tighten it. The middle and bottom hinge don't need an extra long screw. Repeat the process one last time. After all the hinges have been replaced, now tighten all the screws and test the door. This door is not closing. I'm going to have to adjust the hinges. The paint is very thick. I will have to shift the hinges forward. I started with the bottom hinge, but only used the middle screw. I find it easier to adjust the hinge by screwing the middle screw at an angle. Do the same to the other hinges. Then come back and screw the remaining screws. Test it again. This door closes just fine now. I hope this helps. See you in the next one.